The RYOBI One Plus AirStrike 16-gauge straight finish nailer, helping you finish the job with the cordless convenience of One Plus technology. Made for extended periods of work, with the ability to drive up to 1,000 nails per charge, allowing you to get more done faster without having to stop and recharge. A 78% smaller nose and an improved line of sight allows for more precise and accurate drives, even in tight spots. Tool-free depth of drive and pressure adjustments ensure the perfect settings for your project. The improved jam release latch makes it easy to clear a jammed nail, and the dry fire lockout feature extends tool life and increases productivity. The low nail indicator allows you to quickly and easily see when it's time to reload. With the ability to drive 3/4 to 2.5 inch 16-gauge straight nails, this nailer can tackle a variety of applications, like crown molding, exterior trim, and baseboard installation. The RYOBI One Plus AirStrike 16-gauge straight finish nailer, proud member of the AirStrike family of tools. Part of the One Plus system, exclusively at the Home Depot.